Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. My friends, we are reading a story, right? So there is an older man who is sharing his story, right? So he was saying that when he was a man of 20 years old, at that time he started working in a fabric shop, right? He started working there as a khadim initially. Then he was promoted to Amil, right? Then he became a salesperson, right? Khadim, Amil, Ba'i'. And after that, finally, he became an accountant or a cashier, and he achieved the trust of his owner, right, in the shop. So he was doing his work very carefully, and the owner used to like him a lot. So yeah, we are reading his story. So let's continue our story. وكانت أمي تطلب مني دائما أن أتزوج. وكانت أمي means my mother. كانت تطلب these two words are connected together. That means my mother wanted. دائما means always. All right. Minni means from me. So my mother always wanted, asked me, or my mother always wanted from me to get married and atazawwaj. Right. My mother always asked me to get married. Do you understand? Atazawwaj. So that I become married. That was the demand of my mother. ولكني but كنت أؤخر. I was delaying أمر الزواج. I was delaying my marriage إلى ما بعد, for the future. All right. So since my mother was pressurizing me to get married, but I am delaying. كنت أؤخر. I was delaying, right, about my marriage. كنت أقول, why? Because I was telling myself كنت أقول في نفسي. I was telling myself كنت أقول. I was telling myself I was telling myself when my mother was asking me to get married. I was saying that لو وفرت 100 جنيه, if I can save, if I saved 100 pounds. جنيه means pounds. وفرت means saving. If I am able to save 100 pounds, if I saved 100 pounds, استطعت أن أفتح. I will be able to. استطعت means what? I will be able to open, and أفتح means open. I will be able to open, or I'll be able to buy دكانا صغيرا, a small shop. I'll be able to buy a small shop لبيع القماش, for my fabric business, right? So when his mother was saying to get married, he was delaying the marriage. He was not interested to get married because he was telling himself, لو وفرت 100 جنيه, if I am able to save 100 pounds, after that I'll be able to aftah, I'll be able to open a fabric shop, small fabric shop. قماش means fabric, means cloth. ثم أخذت الدخر القرش. Do you understand? ثم أخذت generally means taking, but here it it would mean started. Then I started. أخذت, I started الدخر. I started saving. القرش, قرش means coin, coin, or money, you could say. So I started saving coin بعد القرش. القرش بعد القرش means coin after coin. So I started saving coin after coin because I needed مئة جنيه. I need 100 pounds to open a business. وأصابني طمع شديد. طمع شديد means strong greed. greed. Strong greed affected me. Okay. Uh, strong greed affected me. أصابني means I became so greedy. I became so greedy. جعلني أقوم بسرقات صغيرة. And this greed committed me or led me. Okay, جعلني أقوم means led me to commit small thefts. سرقات صغيرة means small thefts. Do you understand? سرقات means stealing something. All right. صغيرة means little. So when I started, saving the coins one by another, I became really greedy, and this greediness led me to commit small thefts. I started stealing things. All right, I started stealing small things by al hin wal hin, time to time. All right, whenever I was getting opportunity, I was trying to hide money. I was trying to steal money to gather me at the Junaihin, because I wanted to what I wanted to open a new business for me. And he was a good steal. He was a good thief, right? لا تزيد الواحد منها عن uh, جنيهين, right? So I never stole more than £2. Okay, la tazid means my theft was never over £2. Whenever I got the opportunity, I stole at least maximum £2, right? I never stole much money. I never stole much money. Rather, the maximum number of coins that I stole was two. Okay, he was a good thief. So duna ayyantabiha. So I used to steal. Duna means without. Ayyantabiha, without anyone notice. Ila dhalika ahadan. Ila dhalika ahadun. Ahadun means anyone. So I was very much careful so that no one would see me, so that no one would notice. Duna ayyan tabiha ila dhalika ahadun, so that no one can see me. I used to steal very carefully. He was a very careful thief. Very good. So فقد كانت ثقة صاحب المحل في عظيمة جدا. On the other hand, Sahibul Mahal, the owner's trust. Thiqa means trust. Owner's trust. Kanat was. Azima, very strong. Fi, okay. Azima, strong. Jiddan, very strong. On the other hand, my owner used to trust me a lot. Okay. Kanat was. What was? Thiqa sahibil mahal, owner's trust was strong. Fiya, in me means in me. He used to trust a lot. Azima, his trust was strong. How strong? Jiddan, he used to uh, trust me very much. Do you understand? He could not notice that I was stealing coins one by one because I wanted to gather £100 to open my new business. Do you understand? شيئا فشيئا, little by little, slowly slowly, اقتربت, I got closer, من المئة جنيهين, I got closer to £100. I gathered almost £100. I saved almost £100. At the time, وَبَدَأْتُ أَبْحَث. بدأت means I started to look for. أبحث means I started searching عن الدكان الصغير. Now, when I gathered almost £100, I started searching little shop الذي that سأستأجره, that I would rent. All right. So I was looking for a small shop now, because I have saved almost £100, that I'm looking for a shop that I would rent. وبينما, and when أنا في ذلك. وبينما means when. أنا, I am. في ذلك means in that. When I am in that situation. When I'm in that situation. إذ أصيبت أمي, my mother got sick. My mother fell ill. So إذ أصيبت, it means when. أصيبت أمي بمرض, that means when my mother fell ill. All of a sudden my mother got sick. And when, it means when my mother fell sick. أصيبت means the sickness attacked her. So when my mother fell ill or fell sick, تطلب منا أن نجري لها عمليتين. When she got sick, we needed to operate, or my mother needed two operations. Tatallaba means it needed. All right, his sickness. Bimarodin means her sickness needed. Tatallaba, what this sickness needed? This sickness needed minna from us and nujeria to do or to operate laha for her amaliyatain. It needed two operations. Did you understand? So she was sick, and this sickness took from us two operations. She needed two operations. That's the summary. ثم توفيت بعد ذلك, and after a few days توفيت, she passed away, she was died. بعد ذلك means after that, after doing operations, still she was died, she passed away. My mother went to the hereafter, right? فأخذ ذلك كل ما أملك, her death. أخذ means took, ذلك means that or death. Her death, that means my mother's death, took or snatched kullama amlik, so far what I have owned. Do you understand? That means her death took everything I had. Her death took all my money because I had to spend for her operations. So her death, فأخذ, took. What took? ذلك took. What ذلك is her death took kulla, everything, ma amlik, everything that I have saved, everything I have owned. Okay, all money was gone for her operation. ولم أجد في يدي بعد دفنها إلا 4 جنيهات. Alright, I could not find. لم أجد means I could not find. في يدي, in my hand. بعد دفنها, after burying her. إلا 4 جنيهات, except 4 pounds. So when I finally buried her, I was left with only 4 pounds. Okay, all other 96 pounds were gone behind her operation, and all the things I had to do for her, right? I, spent all the money behind my mother, behind the, treatment of my mother. So lam ajid, I could not find, fi yadi, in my hand, ba'da dafniha, after I buried her, after burying her, illa, except arba'at junayhat, except 4 pounds. So I was left with, I had only 4 pounds left in my hand. So, yeah, that was a very sad story. Let us see what is going to happen next in this older man's life.